You wake up in a luxury penthouse, but something feels wrong immediately. The room is silent, too silent. Massive windows overlook the entire city. Cars move hundreds of feet below you. Private helicopters fly past skyscrapers. This isn't your apartment. You sit up fast, confused, trying to remember how you got here. Then your phone vibrates beside you. One notification changes everything. $500 million transferred successfully. $500 million in your account. And suddenly, you're fully awake. At first, you laugh, because there's no way this is real. No one randomly wakes up rich overnight, especially not you. But then another notification appears. No police, no banks, no questions. You now have 24 hours to keep the money. Your stomach drops instantly, because this doesn't feel like luck anymore. It feels like a test. You rush to the bathroom mirror. Cold water hits your face. Still you. Still your life. But somehow, everything feels different now. Because a few minutes ago, you were normal. And now, you're one of the richest people in the city. You look back at the phone again. The balance is still there. $500 million. You open the banking app again. Maybe it's fake. Maybe it's a glitch. But the numbers don't disappear. $500 million. Enough money to buy mansions, private jets, entire companies. Enough money to completely destroy a person's life. And somehow, it belongs to you now. You open the banking app again. Maybe it's fake. Maybe it's a glitch. But the numbers don't disappear. $500 million. Enough money to buy mansions, private jets, entire companies. Enough money to completely destroy a person's life. And somehow, it belongs to you now. Then another message appears. A black car will arrive in 1 hour. Do not ignore it. Do not tell anyone. And just before the screen goes dark, one final line appears. If you fail, everything disappears. Now you're not excited anymore. You're scared. You try calling the bank. No answer. You try calling your best friend. The call instantly fails. Then your phone loses signal completely. No internet. No messages. Nothing. It's like someone cut you off from the world. And suddenly, that money feels dangerous. Exactly 1 hour later, a black car stops outside the building. No license plate. Dark windows. Engine still running. The driver steps out slowly. He already knows your name. And somehow, that terrifies you more than the money. The driver says almost nothing during the ride. The city lights blur past the window. Your mind races with questions. Who gave you the money? Why you? What happens after 24 hours? But deep down, you already know something worse is coming. The car stops in front of a private building downtown. No sign outside. No people around. Just security guards watching you carefully, as if they already know exactly who you are. And the second you walk inside, everyone turns toward you. Inside the room, there are other people. Rich people. Powerful people. People who look completely calm. Which means one thing. This isn't the first time this has happened.